In older versions of scikit-learn, the iterativeimputer was experimental. To use it, you absolutely needed the enable_iterative_imputer flag. Think of it like needing a special key to unlock an experimental feature. Now, in newer scikit-learn, things are much simpler. The iterativeimputer is a standard part of the library. You don't need any special flags, it's readily available. It's like the feature is now officially unlocked and ready to use. I agree, that's correct. In updated scikit-learn, the enable_iterative_imputer flag isn't needed. The iterativeimputer can be imported and used directly. It is no longer experimental. No, that's incorrect. The flag was only necessary in older versions. Modern versions make things much easier for us by removing the need for the flag. I see the evolution of the iterative imputer is the central theme here. Initially, it was an experimental feature, meaning it wasn't fully integrated into scikit-learn. You had to explicitly activate it, like flipping a switch, using a flag. Think of it like a beta version of a software. You needed a special code to access it. Now, it's a fully supported part of scikit-learn. No more special activation needed. In modern versions, you can simply import and use it directly. That's what direct import means. No more fussing with flags. It's like graduating from a beta program to a full release. In older versions of scikit-learn, the iterative imputer was experimental. I had to explicitly turn it on using enable_iterative_imputer equals true . It was essential, like getting a key to unlock a special feature. In contrast, today's scikit-learn has integrated iterative imputer seamlessly. No special configuration, no flags, just a straightforward import and use. It's as easy as using any other standard component. In older versions of scikit-learn, the iterativeimputer was considered experimental. To use it, you had to explicitly enable it with a flag, like enable_iterative_imputer equals true . Think of it like a hidden feature that needed to be unlocked. It's like a secret level in a video game. Now, iterativeimputer is a regular part of scikit-learn. The special flag is no longer needed. It's like the secret level is now accessible to everyone. I'm discussing how the use of the iterativeimputer in scikit-learn has changed over time, specifically focusing on a flag that was once required to use it. In current scikit-learn versions, you can directly import and use iterativeimputer without any special flags. It's a standard, readily available tool. It is no longer treated as experimental and is ready for use. I'll explain how the iterativeimputer was handled in older scikit-learn versions. Back then, it was considered an experimental feature that required you to turn it on using a flag, such as enable_iterative_imputer . That's incorrect. Setting the flag doesn't automatically enable the class. You still need to import and create an instance of iterativeimputer separately. Think of it like having a key, but also needing to know the door you want to unlock. That's correct. In older versions, you needed the flag to use iterativeimputer. That's also correct. The flag is no longer required in the latest scikit-learn versions. That's incorrect. The flag's requirement depends entirely on the scikit-learn version you are using. This question tests understanding of how to use iterativeimputer in different versions of scikit-learn. It specifically focuses on the historical use of a flag to activate the class. I am explaining what the question is about. The focus is on whether you understand how the iterativeimputer has changed over time within the scikit-learn library. Specifically, I'll discuss the role of the special enable_iterative_imputer flag. I'm presenting a multiple choice question to test your understanding of the iterativeimputer in scikit-learn. We'll explore how its usage has changed over time. In older versions of scikit-learn, the iterativeimputer was experimental. I needed to explicitly enable it using a flag, enableiterativeimputer, setting it to true. Back then, iterativeimputer wasn't a fully supported part of Sklearn. Think of it as being in beta testing. That's why the flag was necessary. Now, things are different. Sklearn has matured, and iterativeimputer is a standard, fully supported part of the library. Because iterativeimputer is no longer experimental, I no longer need that special flag. It's officially retired. This refers to the earlier versions of the Sklearn library, where the iterativeimputer class was still under development. This is the main topic. I'm exploring how we use the iterativeimputer class in Sklearn, focusing on the use, or lack of use, of the enableiterativeimputer flag. It's a journey through time. This introduces the multiple choice questions, testing your understanding of the enableiterativeimputer flag and its role in using the iterativeimputer. In older versions of Sklearn, you needed the _enable_iterative_imputer flag. To use iterative imputer, it was an experimental feature, so you had to explicitly enable it. Think of it like this. You wouldn't be able to play a beta game unless you specifically activated it. This line summarizes that you absolutely had to set the _enable_iterative_imputer flag to _true if you wanted to use the iterative imputer in older versions of Sklearn. In newer versions of Sklearn, things changed. Iterative imputer is no longer experimental. It's fully supported and ready to use. You don't need any special flags to activate it. It's like graduating from the beta version of a game to the official launch. You just start playing. This simply means the _enable_iterative_imputer flag is no longer needed, or used in modern Sklearn. It's been removed. It's like an old instruction manual that's no longer relevant for your latest gaming console. This statement is correct. In newer Sklearn versions, you can import and use iterative imputer without any extra steps. You don't need to enable anything extra. The flag is a thing of the past. This statement is incorrect. This is not true. The flag was only required in older versions when iterative imputer was experimental, and it's no longer necessary in modern Sklearn. This is incorrect. Setting a flag doesn't directly enable a class. You must still import and create an instance of iterative imputer separately, like this. _imputer equals iterative imputer. The flag simply changes a setting. It's not a class activator switch. This is correct for older versions. Back then, you needed the flag. Think of it as a special permission slip to use the experimental feature. In older versions of Sklearn, iterative imputer was experimental. You needed a special setting, like in enable_iterative_imputer flag, to use it. Think of it like needing a special key to unlock a beta feature in a video game. It's like, hey, iterative imputer is cool, but it's still under development, so you need this extra step to access it. Nowadays, iterative imputer is a regular part of Sklearn. No special flags are needed. It's like that beta feature is now officially in the game. You can just use it. That extra key is no longer required. This is incorrect. Setting the flag doesn't automatically enable the iterative imputer class. You must still import and use it. The flag merely changes a library setting to allow its use. This is like having the key, but still needing to go to the correct door to unlock it. This is true for older Sklearn versions. I needed that special setting to use the iterative imputer. It's like the gatekeeper demanded a special code in the older versions. This is also true. The enable_iterative_imputer flag, or any similar setting, is unnecessary in newer Sklearn versions. The class is readily available, just like the latest and greatest features in a newly updated game. This statement is false. The iterative imputer's access requirement depends on Sklearn's version, Just like some video game features are exclusive to certain consoles or require particular expansion packs. No more gatekeeping. This question tests whether you understand how iterative imputer changed over time in scikit-learn. That's like quizzing you on the evolution of a video game's features across different versions. This is the overall topic focusing on the use of a specific class. Iterative imputer within a machine learning library and how its use changed based on the version of the library. That's like studying the history of a video game's features and how to use them across different versions. This question tests your knowledge of how the iterativeimpeuter in Sklearn has evolved. It focuses specifically on whether a special flag was, or still is, needed to use it. This statement is false. Setting a flag doesn't magically activate a class. You still need to import and create an instance of the class separately. Think of it like this. The flag is like getting permission to use a tool, but you still need to pick up the tool itself and use it. This is true in older versions, because iterativeimpeuter was experimental. You needed that flag to use it. It was like a secret handshake to unlock access. That's right. The flag became unnecessary in newer versions of scikit-learn. The iterativeimpeuter is now a full-fledged citizen. Nope, this is wrong. The flag's status depends entirely on which version of scikit-learn you are using. It's not always needed. I'm talking about older versions of scikit-learn here. Back then, you had to explicitly enable the experimental iterativeimpeuter using that flag. This is describing modern scikit-learn. No more special flag needed. The iterativeimpeuter is now a standard, fully supported class.